Hello student, myself Professor Anjali Patel from Raffle BBA College Vapi. Our subject entrepreneurship development with respect to your semester 5 in your TY BBA. Today in this video we will learn about the Science and Technology Entrepreneur Park, that is STEP. The full form of STEP is Science and Technology Entrepreneur Park. Now, Science and Technology Entrepreneur Park is another institute for the entrepreneurship development, and it is a small topic where you need to describe in a small way. Okay. Now, Science and Technology Entrepreneur Park is an autonomous body which is registered as a society under the Society Registration Act. Again, I am repeating, STEP is an autonomous body which is registered as a society under the Society Registration Act and has been registered as non-profit organization and is being registered as non-profit organization under the provision of the Section 25 of the Company Act 1956. So again, STEP is your autonomous body being registered as a society act under the Society Registration Act, and it is a non-profit company being registered under the provision of the Section 25 of the Company Act 1956. Now, STEP program was initiated by to provide a reorientation in the approach to innovation. स्टेप का मेन प्रोग्राम यही था कि वो रीओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम कंडक्ट करे जिससे वो इनोवेशन अमॉन्ग द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जनरेट है, इन्वॉल्व एजुकेशन रिलेटेड टू एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, having training related to entrepreneur, and have research and development for entrepreneur, and to provide finance and provide management to in your entrepreneurship development. So main step के program क्या था? You need to have a reorientation program for the innovation among the entrepreneurship, among the entrepreneur, that involve education. It involve education also. It provide training to entrepreneur. It provide research and development through entrepreneur. It provide finance and management to an entrepreneur. So that was the program being conducted by STEP. Now, STEP create a necessary climate for innovation, information exchange. Create a climate for इनोवेशन, एक क्लाइमेट क्लियर कर जिससे इनोवेशन जनरेट हो, इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सचेंज हो, एक क्लाइमेट क्रिएट किया जहाँ पे एक इनोवेशन का एटमॉस्फेयर हो, इंफॉर्मेशन इजीली एक दूसरे से एक्सचेंज हो, देयर इज अ शेयरिंग ऑफ export and facility and opening a new avenues for the students. नए नए avenues open किए for the student, teacher, research and industrial managers, so that entrepreneurs will be developed among the students also, among the teachers also, among the research also, and among the industrial manager also. STEP program was initiated by NSTEBD, that is National Science and Technology Entrepreneur Development Board. Again, the full form of NSTEBD is National Science and Technology Entrepreneur Development Board, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India in 1984. The STEP program was initiated by National Science and Technology Entrepreneur Development Board of Science of Government of India in the year 1984. So that was program one is initiated by your NICTEBD, that is National Science and Technology Entrepreneur Development Board. Now, the objectives that you need to remember with respect to your STEP Institute, the first objective, that there should be have a close linkage between university, academic and research and development institute on one hand and industry on the other hand. दो पल्ले के साथ आपको डील करना है, एक साइड आपको अपने यूनिवर्सिटी, एकेडमिक एंड रिसर्च डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ भी लिंकेज करना है और दूसरा आपके इंडस्ट्री के साथ भी लिंकेज होना चाहिए, जिससे हमारा एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट हर एक एरिया वाइज हम डेवलप कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, टू प्रमोट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप अमॉन्ग द साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी पर्सन. जो साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी बंदे हैं उसके हमें उसके थ्रू हमें वहाँ पे हम हमारा प्रमोशन करेंगे रिलेटिव एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, बिकॉज उससे न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप हो सकती है. एंड लास्ट, टू प्रोवाइड रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट सपोर्ट टू स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री, मोस्टली टू have a interaction with a research institute. Research and development support करना है to those industry which is small scale industry, so that they can have a support of research and they can have an interaction with a research institute. It is a small institute being explained, so this is a small topic that you have learned about your STEP. Now again I have had a repetition about the Science and Technology Entrepreneur Park. STEP is nothing but the full form is Science and Technology Entrepreneur Park. Now Science and Technology Entrepreneur Park is an autonomous body being registered by Society Act under the registration of the Society Registration Act. It is a non-profit company. It is being registered as a non-profit company under the provision of the Company Act 1956. यहाँ पे स्टेप का मेन इनिशिएटिव यही है कि रीओरिएंटेशन वो प्रोग्राम कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं जिससे इनोवेशन एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जनरेट हो, इन्वॉल्व एजुकेशन इन स्कूल्स एंड यूनिवर्सिटी इन एकेडमिक, provide training to entrepreneurs so they can get the training and knowledge related to entrepreneur, provide research, finance and management. That was the being program conducted by STEP. Now STEP created a necessary climate for innovation. उसने एक क्लाइमेट क्रिएट किया जहाँ पे कंटिन्यूस इनोवेशन हो, इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सचेंज हो, शेयरिंग ऑफ एक्सपर्ट्स हो एंड फैसिलिटी ऐसे वे में प्रोवाइड करे जिससे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो है वो अपना एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. और they have started a new avenues for the student, for the teacher, for the research and industrial manager, so that entrepreneurship development program will be spread among them. So that was the main intention behind the step. Now science and technology entrepreneur program was being initiated by whom? It was initiated by National Science and Technology Entrepreneur Development Board. Be remember that is the government of India in the year 9 Department of Science and Technology, government of India in the year 1984. The main ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है कि फर्स्ट यू नीड टू हैव दो कॉइन के पल्ले होते, वैसे ही एक साइड आप लिंक रखोगे एकेडमिक यूनिवर्सिटी एंड रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट, और एक साइड आप लिंक किससे रखोगे? आपके इंडस्ट्री के साथ. लिंकेज जैसे रखोगे तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप अमॉन्ग द यूनिवर्सिटी, एकेडमिक एंड रिसर्च डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट होगा एंड इंडस्ट्री में भी हमारा एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट होगा. Second क्या है? To promote entrepreneurship among whom? The science and technology person. And last, to provide research and development support to those industry which is small scale industry, and से क्या होगा? इंटरेक्शन होगा रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट से. स्मॉल स्केल रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट का इंटरेक्शन स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री के साथ होगा एंड स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री का जो भी इंटरेक्शन है वो रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ है. तो यहाँ पे टू वे कम्युनिकेशन होगा, टू वे इंटरेक्शन होगा जिससे हमारा यहाँ पे रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट अच्छे से हो और स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री को भी एक सपोर्ट मिले. दैट वाज योर स्मॉलर इंस्टीट्यूट दैट यू नीड टू लर्न. दिस इज द होप last topic of your syllabus. So just go through the video and understand the another institute, that is STEP. Thank you, student.